Well, I spent the day making springs. The first spring I made by hand, and it's a little rough. I'll take pictures and post these separately. Second spring I made it with the lathe, and I'll show that in a little bit. It turned out nice, but I made it too many windings, and it had trouble fitting in the spring holder. So I made another one with the lathe on a bigger mandrel, but I forgot about spring back, so it ended up being a little bit too wide to fit in the spring holder. So finally, I got it right. It took some manhandling. Actually, the spring made well, but then the edges, these things down here, these things that hold the spring in place, were a little bit difficult to work into shape. But this one actually is springy and puts on the right amount of tension. Pretty good. 3 working springs, but only one that worked right. I used all my music wire up, so it's a good thing I got 4 pieces of it. Let me tell you, this stuff is hard to work by hand. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye.